Hey, hi, hello, how are you? But welcome back to my channel today, guys. I wanted to kick off 2019 by doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I have been saying for well over a year now, I am going to get into YouTube. I want to do this, I want to do that. I've been receiving Boxycharm for quite a while, and I always say I'm going to do a monthly unboxing, but I never do. But I figured now is the best time. It's January. We're kicking off the year. We're kicking off the Boxycharm year. I've been holding that upside down. But I just wanted to go ahead and unbox this for you guys. And I'm also going to do a tutorial on everything that is in here. That is why I am barefaced. I have no idea what's in here. We still have the seal and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead, open it up, figure out what I'm using, and then we're going to do a little look for you guys. So when you first open up the box, this is what we see. It says Boxy and Chill. So that just looks like that. Alright, the first thing I see is this thing I can't pronounce. Great times. Bragio Rosec. I'm not good with words. Something milk. Reparative leave-in conditioning spray. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So for my hair. It's a leave-in conditioning spray and you get 20 ounces and it has an MSRP for $12. Effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with this milk spray. Infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rose hip, argan, and coconut oils, this spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Well, if we just want to take a look at these locks right here, we are all frizz. I actually forgot to put in all of my hair care products last night. I got out of the shower and I was just going to lay in bed for just a moment and I fell straight asleep. I didn't put in any of my serums or my moisturizers. So my hair is having a time today. But yeah, it says spray throughout clean, damp hair with focus on mid-length to ends of hair. Prior to blow drying, do not rinse out. So it's meant for damp hair, but we're gonna smell it. Oh, it actually smells pretty darn good. Where are we frizzy at? Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna do a little section real quick. I know it says damp hair, but you know, my hair can take all the moisture it can get. Okay, it actually smells really, really good. But yeah, if you're wondering, I'm in the bleaching process of my hair. That is why I am this brassy, like, multi-color. My hair was bright purple, and we're just bleaching it out. I'm going back to my natural color. That's up through here, and then I have, like, a dark band through here. It's a process, guys. Yeah, I really like that. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my god. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, I definitely like this. I was actually getting ready to run out of my leave-in conditioner. I currently use the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. I've really been liking that, but this smells really good, so yep. Okay, that's a new thing we're using, so I'm really happy with that, and it's only $12, so that's not bad. The next thing I pull out of the box is this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. And they've redid their packaging because their old packaging, I have quite a few Ofra liquid. So that's their new packaging versus their older packaging. And this retails for $20. Next, okay, I wanted to check this out. This is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. This is really exciting because I already have volumes 1 and 2, so now I also have the third. But And this retails, oh, it's limited edition, highlighting eyeshadow palette. And it retails for $36. So, oh, there we go. So you can see that's really pretty. There looks to be only one, like, matte shade, which is going to be like this guy right here. But that's still extremely pretty. So we can just do like a nice, simple, everyday look with that. But this retails for $36, and that's actually a really good deal because your box retails for $21. So just getting this alone, you've already got your money's worth. And then next we have an eyebrow pencil. It says Universal Brow Pencil. And this is from Billion Dollar Brows. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. And the spoolie at the end makes for easy blending. The smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. And this retails for $18. So I'm actually very picky on brow products, but I think the shade may actually work for me. Yeah, I think it may actually work for me, but we'll see how I like the product. And then lastly, this is what I'm actually most excited for because I love Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Y'all, I have the driest skin known to mankind ever since I had the birth control implant in my arm, and I did not have a good experience with it. I gained a ton of weight. It made my anxiety 10 times worse, and then as soon as I got it out, my skin was just like bloop, dry. Not a drop of liquid in my skin. It's dry. Like my cheeks are tight, everything is tight, dry. So anything with the words luminous and dewy, I'm just like, yes, give it to me. So these are just amazing. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rich germ oil. Germ. I said rich germ oil, and it's rice germ oil, but it's still really weird sounding. Vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfect trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin health and radiance. And these retail for $24. $24 a piece or $24 for the tube? The questions we need answered. So, we are gonna try this out, and we're gonna try the rest of our products out. Hair's still smelling good. Alright, but really, let's try this out. Alright, step 1. Apply a mask and smooth to fit comfortably. Leave on for 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, good thing. Alright, and then we sit for 15 minutes. So I will return in 15 minutes. It is currently 6:45, so I will be back at 7. So we are back. It is now 7:03, and we're going to take this bad boy on off. Okay, and then you are just supposed to massage in whatever is left over on your skin. I didn't really have a problem with it sliding around or falling off while I was wearing it. And I did walk around the house some, made a phone call. It's just whenever I was talking, it would move a little bit, but that's to be expected. I can't complain about that. But there is a good amount of leftover product, which I mean is great, especially if I was going to bed. Because then it can just absorb even more into my skin. But now, we are going to go through and do our makeup. So I won't really have to prime or do too much. And do the rest of my makeup off screen. I will save, you know, the things we got in the box for on screen. But I'm just going to go and do that. And then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have the rest of my face on. I feel like I'm a little overexposed, but I'm not that tech savvy yet, so just bear with me. I'm gonna get better with time. But I feel like I'm not this pale. I'm pale. I'm not this pale. I think. Maybe overestimating myself here. But now we are just going to move on to eyes. So I am going to use the little transition shade that came in here. And it's called Tiki. But let's see what we can work with here. But I'm just taking Tiki and putting it all over my eyelid as our transition shade. And there is literally no fallout or kickback whenever you dip into these shadows, which I know some people really enjoy. I don't really have a problem with either or, but to the shade Rays is going to be this shade right here, and we're going to keep it nice and low, but I still want to put it on a blending brush because I'm not using it just as my all over like lid shade, if that makes sense. Work with what we got since we didn't get more than one transition shade. We got an all shimmer palette. If Heat Wave is calling my name, it's like this little bit, like it has some pink tones to it. Any eyeshadow that has anything relatively pink to it, like pinks or purples, they call my name. Probably like Naked 3 whenever it came out. My first palette was Naked 2, and then I had the Naked 3. And that was like my go-to palette every single day. Like it's all I ever wanted to use. It was just my baby. Now that we're zoomed in, I should have done this the whole time for you. Sorry about that, but now we're getting somewhere. And then we are going to use the brow product they sent us by Billion Dollar Brows, and it's supposed to be universal, so we are going to see. Right now I look kind of crazy not having any brows. So we're just going to use a spoolie. Comb through these back. Not terrible. Okay, let's do the other. I feel like that just changed my whole look with a brow. Should have done brows first. Okay, and there is that one. So the only complaint I have is that while you're using it, it rolls itself back down, and I don't like that. But other than that, that is my only complaint about that product. The color actually does match me really, really well. And then now just to finish this off, we're going to use this lip color, which it'll match my eyes fine. It's okay. Alright guys, and there you have it. This is our complete look using our January Boxycharm. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about the box this month. I really liked it. I just wish the brow pencil didn't roll down while I was using it. But other than that, I really enjoyed our box this month, and I'll keep you all updated on what I think about our leave-in hair conditioner, because I will be using it on this nice, super dry hair. But until next time, guys, bye!